Model, 2016 Ford Transit 350L 3 long wheelbase, rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H3 van Ulez compliant, needs repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 119,158. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire and has excessive oil back pressure. We suspect one of the pistons has a crack in it. Check mark. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. This is a rare van being Ulez compliant, but also having the older more reliable 2.2 timing chain driven engine Starstruck. EU status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call